I'm reading for sign of Scorpio. So what you guys can expect for the month of July. So right now, many of you guys could be getting a lot of attention from a lot of soulmates or a lot of options that you have got around. What else is coming up for Scorpio spread? Actually coming up for Scorpio for the next few weeks. Coming forward towards Scorpio spread. If you had a project in mind or you were working on something, I see that going your way. Okay, I do see success. If you were working on something, okay, I do see positive results coming out of it. With Six of Cups, I do see a soulmate returning back to you. Okay, for some of you, this could be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. This could also be a earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Doesn't have to be anything sign particular, but I do see a soulmate returning back to you. A soulmate returns back to your life. Okay, tell me more about this soulmate spirit. Tell me more about this soulmate. You have Six of Cups here. Tell me more about this soulmate. You did like this person with Nine of Cups. This person makes you happy. Okay, you are very happy when this person is around you or when you guys are in contact. Okay, that's this person. With the Hanged Man, this person could be a Pisces for some of you. Okay, with Eight of Cups, this person walked away from you in the past, or they had to walk away from you in the past. But right now, we see Queen of Wands, which means this person is interested in you. Okay, so yes, that was your energy. So let's start your tarot now. All that my dear Scorpios can possibly expect for the next few weeks moving forward. Right now with the Hermit card, some of you might be feeling a little left out, or some of you are wanting to be left out. Like you guys are wanting to be on your own, wanting to find your path, wanting to find your purpose in life. Okay, so some of you might not really want or like to be disturbed at the very current moment. Okay, what do we see coming up for Scorpio spirit? So let's start. Give me one card for the overall. How's the overall situation going to be for Scorpios moving forward in life? With Eight of Wands, I see you moving forward in life. I do not see you wanting to stay stuck to anything at all. I see you moving forward. I see rapid, fast movement moving forward. Okay. With Two of Cups, I believe you guys have already met the romantic partner you seek or want in your life. Okay. So yes, this person might have water in their chart. Okay. If it's not the sun sign, it might be the moon sign, like Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay. Moving forward, one card. What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate? What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate? One card for that spirit. What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate moving forward? One card. What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate moving forward? Two of Cups. So you guys are going to be in a romantic connection this month. For the next 2 weeks, I do feel that a person who left you or left you out in the cold for a third party or something is very much coming back. They are going to hold on to you. They are not going to quit on you. If this person in the past was wanting to quit on you or walking away from you or was not giving you much attention, the attention you deserve, then I very much see you guys being on a very harmonious connection, a very harmonious, not harmonious, harmonious connection, a very happy, joyous connection, happy, balanced connection this coming month. Okay, so one card for their energy towards you now. One card for Scorpio soulmates energy towards Scorpio. One card for Scorpio soulmates energy towards Scorpio. Scorpio soulmates energy towards Scorpio. What's the energy going to be like towards Scorpio? With Queen of Cups, this person has a lot of romantic feelings towards you. In the past, this person, I believe, was way too focused on their work life. Right now they are wanting to come back to your life. If they are not yet coming, I see them stalking you like on a very daily basis. Okay, so I do feel like this person has a lot of romantic feelings, has a lot of feelings towards you, is wanting you. They might have also told you that they are wanting to give you something stable, like a very much a committed relationship in the past, but things did not go the way you would want it to, and things happened in the past which led to a lot of arguments and issues. But right now I see this person stalking you. They might not be exactly communicating with you, but they're definitely stalking you. Okay, in terms of their energy, they're wanting to come forward towards you, wanting to offer you this cup of love, wanting to be on equal page as you, wanting to be on equal levels as you. Okay, so yes, coming forward, how are they possibly going to come forward towards you? How are they possibly going to come forward towards you now, Scorpio? How is Scorpio soon possibly going to come forward towards Scorpio now? I see you guys being in a lot of communication, not just communication, but a lot of communication. I see this month going really well for you, or at least starting well for you. Okay, if it has not yet. Okay, with Six of Cups, this person wants to reunite, wants to get back with you. I see them coming back. Six of Cups twice. Okay, in the past, I see Five of Pentacles, which tells me that in the past they could have left you out in the cold. Okay, like just dropped you for nothing. Okay, at the top card right now, they're still very much feeling like what they should do, and they're a little like clueless, I could say, in terms of how they should come forward. On some note, I still feel like they feel very much like you are not taking them seriously with Four of Cups. At the current moment, I see them in the Four of Cups zone. They're a little depressed, I'll be very honest with you. They're a little out of zone right now. Okay, but they do want to come forward and offer you this cup of love. They do want to get back with you. Okay, but right now, currently, I feel they feel a little misunderstood. Okay, they feel like you're not taking them seriously, or you're not really giving them much attention. There's a lot of drama going on. Okay, they are very much conflicted over it. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you, one card for Scorpio soulmates, intentions towards Scorpio. One card for Scorpio soulmates, intentions towards Scorpio moving forward. One card for Scorpio soulmates, intentions towards Scorpio moving forward. Right now, I believe that they are wanting to cause you a little anxiety, and they are wanting to get you a little restless. Okay, they are playing mind games with you as of now. Right now, I see them playing mind games with you, like getting you a little anxious, getting you a little excited, getting you a little stressed out to get your reaction. Okay, this is part of the plan, darling. This is very much part of the plan. Okay, with Death in the reverse, they will not succeed though. I believe you are not budging. It is not affecting in any which way. Okay, give one more card for what action they want to take towards you now. What action is the Scorpio so not possibly want to take towards Scorpio now? What action is Scorpio soulmate possibly want to take towards Scorpio? One card for what action is Scorpio soulmate possibly wanting to take towards Scorpio moving forward? Yeah, with Seven of Cups, they do have option. Okay, I'll be honest with you. They do want to create the confusion. Yes, they do want to get you a little stressed out so that you react. Okay, in terms of action, they already have created confusion, enough confusion for you to not really know what to do, and I believe you're not really giving a damn about it. Okay, you might be a little upset, but you are not really pretending or acting in any which way that it's affecting you. Okay, so in terms of what you can expect from them, now, one card for what can Scorpio soulmate possibly expect, what can Scorpio possibly expect from their soulmate now? What can Scorpio possibly expect from their soulmate now? they will come forward. Okay, be very relaxed. I see your person making a move towards you. They are going nowhere. Okay, and they want to hurry and they want to come in fast. Okay, they want to just be around you. Okay, they are coming in very very fast, even if they are causing you drama and pain and stressing you out by their ways they are behaving or stuff they are posting on social media, is to just get your reaction. If they are not really giving you any sort of reaction, or not really giving you any sort of attention, it is just to get you little restless and hibernating to come forward and make a move towards them. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. One card, some of you are dealing with an air sign. Okay, could be a Libra or a Gemini, could also be an Aquarius for that sake. Give me one more card for what are their true feelings towards you now. What are their true feelings towards you? One card for Scorpio soulmates, true feelings towards Scorpio, please. With Ace of Swords, they are very much, they have got that insight that you are the person for them. Okay, and it is also a very practical relationship. You guys do connect on a very deep level. Intellectual connection is bomb, like it's on a very high note. You guys can just speak for hours, just can communicate for hours, and the communication is very smooth when it comes to the two of you. In the past it has been, and it has the potential of going full circle, and and they see your value, they see your worth, and they have already got that download that you are that person for them. They might just not be telling you, or not might be opening up about it because of their ego. Okay, but with King of Cups, this person definitely has a lot of feelings for you. Okay, truth be told, they might not be communicating with you. I do feel on a very strong note that a lot of communication is going to come your way for the next 2 weeks. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward now. Where this connection is possibly moving forward between Scorpio and their soulmate. Right now, even if things are not good, we have the Tower here. I do see balance coming in eventually. Okay, balance is definitely coming in. With the Judgment card, it is up to you whether you should give this a second chance or not. Mind you that this reading can go vice versa. This might be the Scorpio doing this, but take it accordingly, darling. This is a general reading, so I cannot completely force things on you. Okay, so one card for what do they possibly want from you now. What do they possibly want from Scorpio? One card for what do they possibly want from Scorpio now. Card for what do they possibly want from Scorpio. With Wheel of Fortune, they want this connection to move forward. They also want you to put in effort and fix the connection. They want you to come forward now. Okay, if you've been holding back, they want you to come forward now. Okay, right now with Five of Cups, darling, they also want you to tell them that you miss them. They are doing all this drama, and all this situation is created just to get a reaction that you miss them. Okay, crazy shit, right? Yeah. So one card for how is Scorpio going to react overall. What's Scorpio's situation? Tell me about Scorpio now. One card for Scorpio, please. Right now you are hurt. It's not like you are not hurt. You are hurt, but you might not be pretending or showing it to them. You are just being on your own. Okay, right now with Four of Cups, also you are in this very unhappy place. You are not exactly sure what you need to do. You are ignoring them as well, just like that, but you are also hurt that they are not giving you, or they are not really coming forward. Okay, so it's on both sides. Okay, but with Nine of Cups, this person does mean a lot to you. Okay, so let's come to your love messages now. What does Scorpio soulmate want to say to Scorpio that they haven't been they haven't said so far? For some of you, this connection was could have been very sexual. okay, that one of you was only wanting to offer sexually, so that was a problem in the past. Okay, sorry, I thought you deserve better. For some of you, your person felt like someone deserved better. It could be you or them. The common message here is, I thought you deserve better, a lot better. Okay, so either one of you could have said that. Okay, one more card. What's the one love message that Scorpio, someone wants to say to Scorpio out loud now? One card for that, please. I hold back because I don't want to be rejected. That's the final message here. Bottom card, it's easier for me to stay away than to communicate with you right now. Okay, so I hold back because I fear to be rejected. I believe I got the same message previously as well, but they feel like it's easy for them to stay away than to communicate right now because of the tensed situation. So darling, this was your reading for the month of July. If it connected, please be kind enough to hit the like button, people. Subscribe, comment, and please keep coming back for regular readings. Thank you so much. Cheers.